My name's Colin and I'm a retail assistant at Rebuild with Hope. A couple of years ago I started to lose my hearing, and the environment that I was working in at the time was a very noisy environment, very loud environment, so I was no longer suitable for that role. And I found a position as an admin assistant. I thought it'd be fantastic, wouldn't have to use phones. And then a couple of months into that new role, they merged departments, phone work became mandatory, which led to me being out of work for 10 months before I started on the NGS programme and I started here at Rebuild.
So Restart works on many levels to get people out of work on benefits into work. We have a team of advisors who are absolutely exceptional at the jobs. Our goal is sustainable employment and we live by that. We believe in these people and we want them to take pride in everything they do.
So Restart were really good with taking into account my hearing loss and helping me find places that I may not have thought to look. I've never been deaf before, and I was suggested to try here at Rebuild because it's a retail environment, it's a very busy environment, but it's a quiet noise level, it's a physically quiet place. They also were able to get me on a sign language course, which I do online. They've been really supportive and really helpful in different avenues. I am hoping to start an apprenticeship, level 3 retail team leader. I end up with a qualification. I can then go on to do like a level 4, maybe a level 5 in the future if I choose to. Store management, business management type things.
I'm Adrian Fields and I'm the Workplace Engagement Manager with Rebuild with Hope. We can offer job opportunities in the long run, but in the short term, volunteering and work experience. And Restart scheme has enabled us to obviously fill some job gaps in our workforce to enable people to get back into work.
My experience of the Restart scheme has been one of opportunity. They're always approachable, they're always willing to talk to me, willing to listen to me, even to a point where early on jobs were suggested and I felt hesitant at first to say that wouldn't be suitable for me, but they were extremely accommodating with that. They said, we want to get the work that is right for you. It's really helped me get my confidence back, getting back into a routine of things, and it feels good to be back to a normal semblance of life.